What's up, YouTube? I am back today to film a different kind of video for you guys. I know I usually film vlogs, but I do love to DIY. So please let me know if you guys like this kind of video because I love doing these kind of things. Um, yeah, so I'm going to show you how to remake a table, like get that farmhouse look. So I'm going to show you how to get this to this. Yeah, me and my sister, we worked really hard on it, and all we did was follow a tutorial ourselves. So it can be done. If you set your mind to it, you can achieve, you can achieve anything, honestly. Um, yeah, so you guys, please stay tuned. Okay, so we started with the bottom half. We took the top off and we focused on the bottom first. It just was a black, and we started, it was a black color, and we started with a white chalk linen paint. Any chalk paint will do, chalk paint. I like it because it covers, you don't have to, a little goes a long way basically. You only have to do maybe like 1 or 2 coats, and it covers everything really well. So here we are doing our first coat. I would suggest that you use maybe, because after we did all this, it had a few little strokes left, so like paint strokes from the paintbrush left. So I would suggest you use a mini roller. It comes on a lot better, and the coverage is a lot more professional than with the brush. We had to sand some parts after and kind of go over with the roller to fix it, but it came out really good. So here's the first coat that was done, and now we're applying the second coat. We only needed 2 coats, and seriously, like, we still had a bunch of paint left. I love chalk paint, and I would highly recommend it. So yeah, that was the first day. We let that dry, and then this is the second day. We started the sanding. We just wanted to get, because we're gonna use a wood stain, so we wanted to get all the you know, darker colored wood off. So we're sanding it to like its bare natural color. So you don't have to use a hand sander. It is a lot easier. You can actually use the little paper grid sanders and do that. And then we started painting just the little what do you call it, like cracks or creases in the table. We actually should have did this step first, but my sister, once we sanded, she decided that she wanted to paint the inside, so we had to clean it up after and make sure we sanded any little paint that was left. And then we used this this gray stain. It is the Weatherwood Accelerator, and we wanted gray, so we went and used that, and we started staining all the table just with the regular paintbrush. So you go ahead and do that, and then you want to make a little a wash. So you mix some white, we just used our chalk paint and water in a different separate bowl, and you get you'll see right here, I'm still finishing up this stain, but yeah, you'll see right here that I have this ugly, like, just a little cheapy brush, and we want to use something like that to do the white paint wash strokes. So yeah, you mix white paint and water, and you basically just do random strokes all over the table, because remember, we want to get a weathered farmhouse kind of look. So, and then you get a wet washcloth, and then you just kind of blend it into the table. So here I am just blending in everything, and you just want to go all around the table and go ahead and apply that whitewash all over. Remember, once you're applying the stain, it's not going to look like the color you want it until it dries. So don't worry about that. we did this all over, and then we kind of let it dry, and then wherever we felt like it needed more stain or more whitewash, we just kind of kept going with it until we got the color that we wanted. So yeah, we just applied all over and blended. Make sure you blend. You forgot to paint. We're also, you know, finishing up that part. Try to make sure if you are doing this, maybe you want to do that first or whatnot. But yeah, so let it dry, and then keep applying whatever if you wanted. We did apply a brown wash as well. So I just got like some brown paint. Seriously, like I just got acrylic brown paint and put water and kind of went, and then we just let that dry, and we kept going with, and then until we got the color we achieved. So we added more white, more stain, and then it takes about, I think, 3 hours to dry. We just let it dry for a whole day, and it came out really, really nice. I love, it looks like professional. I love the way it came out. Here is it with the chairs. It looks so beautiful, and I'm so proud of our job. Alright guys, well that is it for today. Please let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. I would love to do more videos like this. I know it's been a while since we posted. We moved, if you didn't know. We moved, and it's just been like, we're still getting into routine. I feel like for anything, we're still adjusting. And yeah, for all you guys who do watch our videos, and I know we haven't been consistent, thank you so much. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see, any kind of challenges, or if you guys like this kind of video. Let me know if you need help, if you're going to try to attempt to remake over like a furniture item. Let me know if you need any help or any suggestions or anything. But yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like it, follow us on Instagram. We have a family Instagram, and I have my own as well. So yeah, go ahead and do that right now, and subscribe. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and see you guys later. Bye.